Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you are doing well. I am Dr. Jabarimran and today I come with important and a new topic, that is route to Ireland. I have done a little effort that I want to give you detail about what host job rotations are required to register yourself in Irish Medical Council, and how to make your EPIC account, and what OET and IELTS grades are required, and how to register yourself in Irish Medical Council, and what fee structure and what other requirements are necessary. So come to our main topic. So let's discuss. In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and merciful. Irish Medical Council. The doctors who want to know about route to Ireland, this video is for those doctors. So general category registration. Step 1, complete your house job. Apply for experience certificate from the PMC, Pakistan Medical Commission. Apply for OET or IELTS. Make EPIC account. Apply for IMC account. Send attested OET and passport photocopy to IMC through courier by self. Okay. So next one is general category registration. So these are the countries which are exempted from press exam if you have completed internship in following countries after 2008. Pakistan, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, Sudan, Malaysia and some other countries. Those are not mentioned in this slide. Okay. So step 1, how to apply for experience certificate from PMC before apply to host job. Make sure training and experience must comply with medical council's policy on length of internship and approved rotations. Minimum 12 months consecutive, at least 3 months in general medicine and 3 months in surgery in general 12-month period, and intern may also be employed for not less than 2 months and not more than 4 months in the following specialties. First of all, emergency medicine, general practice, obstetric and gynecology, pediatrics, psychiatry, anesthesia, to include pre-operative medicine, radiology, and other rotations are so recognized titles of specialties for the certificates are obstetric and gynecology, emergency medicine, anesthesia, psychiatry, which contain child and adolescent psychiatry, psychiatry of learning disability, psychiatry of old age, and next one is pediatrics, pediatric cardiology, pediatrics, and next one is radiology, radiation oncology. So the names of specialties must appear the same on your certificate. So these are the specialties you must have to do internship in these specialties. Okay. So next one is house job experience certificate from PMDC. After completing your house job, you have to apply in PMC for experience certificate. All procedure for apply is present on PMC website. So you must have to go on PMC website and then attach all the documents and get house job experience certificate from PMC. Okay. So step 2, apply for OET or IELTS. Book your date on time, computer and written both available. Required score for OET is grade B overall in all modules, listening, speaking, writing and reading, and IELTS required score is 7 each, and overall also contains 7 band. Okay. So preparation time duration varies depend on basic English of individuals. Okay. And step 3 is apply for EPIC account. Before starting the procedure, you must have scanned copy of ID page of your passport and a recent passport size photograph, scanned copy of your final medical diploma, MBBS certificate degree, a credit card for application fee, email ID, address of your home and college, and next one is you would require to fill the details such as date of birth, name, etc. There will be option to select your medical school in the list. If you can't find your college, no worries, select option not in the list, other fill it manually. Please note that write that information correctly. Okay, registration or license, in this you need to select PMC. Do the same if option is not available. Okay, and recognize organization, select IMC. If you want to apply for IMC, then select IMC, and if you want to apply for GMC, then go for that. After providing this info, they will ask you about photo and passport, and if once you have done with this, you need to submit around $130 fee for Epic account and notary cam service. Verification of your Epic identification form and notary cam within 2 days. They will verify your ID and relevant information, and they will contact you through given email for time of notary cam, and later it's your choice. Through cam they will sign, and holding your passport in hand to identify ID. You will be then notified within a day. Then you can upload your medical degree and experience certificate by paying the each credential fee around $100. Okay, then they will email your degree, for which they will charge you $30 if you select courier option, but not sure these days due to COVID. Okay, and next one is once ESFMG send the documents to your college, notify the office of principal of your college immediately about it. The principal will need to sign the document and stamp as well, so it will just speed up the process. When you get your experience certificate from PMC, you can upload that in credential, which will charge you around $100, or you can upload both at the same time. No worries, select IMC option for Ireland. Okay, so step 4 is IMC account. After completing your Epic account, now you have to complete your IMC account, and at this stage you would require to request Epic to send your credential report to IMC. Okay, passport size picture around 2 MB, credit card at the end of application, and fill all the detail. They will ask you about indemnity form, so you can choose your option 5. Some prefer 1 and 3. You need to fill your all experience up to date. If you have some gap, one would suggest go for exam preparation. Okay, after the end of application, you would require to submit the application form of around €400. When you submit application with all the fee, they will email you your cover sheet and IMG registration number. Okay, so now you have completed your IMC account. Now the final step is, when you receive cover sheet via email or post, send your OET and passport photocopy attested by each Commissioner IMC by post along with cover sheet on the top. At this stage, you can apply for good standing certificate from Pakistan Medical Commission and request to send the report via email to PMC. So after all this wait, patiently IMC will contact you by email and on login page. So time duration after application submission, because many doctors want to know about time duration, how much time they require to complete their application submission. Okay, awaiting assessment, where they send indemnity form, it takes around 3 weeks. Eligible, you will be contacted by Rory Knox, and you will receive eligibility email and asked to submit form. After they acknowledge your form and contact you in 4 to 6 weeks. Finance pending, eligibility in a week or 30 days. Active finally, during this period you can apply for certain jobs which are far away in case. Homework before coming. Okay, so apply for passport within 10 years. With 10 years, make a bank account and maintain it when you apply for visa, so you can show that. You can take bank's maintenance certificate from your bank along with bank statement at the time of visa, and to look for work permit, cause and other information you can get on IMC website. Okay, thank you so much for listening, and I think this was my little effort, and it will benefit you.